Good evening everyone, this is News Channel 13 News. We apologize for the interruption, but this is a breaking news coming out of the city of Fulton and surrounding areas. Just in 10 minutes ago, we have a disturbing news that the creatures, now known as a protogen creatures, has last seen roaming around in the city of Fulton and surrounding areas. These protogen creatures are having a characteristic, half animal and half robot, different colors in fur, red glowing eyes and mouth, razor-sharp teeth, razor-sharp claws, wearing different clothing, and extreme homicidal aggression to everyone that is in their path. These creatures are causing massive damage to the properties. Several deaths and injuries are being reported across the area. In addition, police are looking for a protogen named Greenster, a 18-year-old white female, green and light green fur, a dark green jacket, pink skirt, blue shorts, and a red eyes, with blood dripping down out her face. She might be responsible for this incident. All citizens in the city of Fulton and surrounding areas are strongly advised to stay indoors with all of your windows and doors locked. We have a reporter is in the city of Fulton. How is it going right now?
I'm currently at the downtown area, where is extremely chaos around here. Many people have been attacked and killed by one of these protogens. My gosh, they're so scary. I can see some people are getting mauled by these creatures. A civil danger warning has been issued for all of the city of Fulton City and surrounding areas. We have several reports that a protogen named Greenster have been going into TV screaming at civilians and making them go deaf. These creatures will spread to other cities within the next few hours, as these protogens are very fast. I can tell that these creatures can go fast at approximately 20 to 30 miles per hour to chase other people that are trying to get in one of these buildings. All residents in Fulton are strongly encouraged to stay indoors with all of your windows and doors locked. Do not approach these. I repeat, do not approach one of these creatures. They are extremely dangerous and it should not be approached at this time. Oh my god, I literally see Greenster in the distance. Holy crap, she's so fast. I need to get out of here now.